Our options trading for income open house is going to be Monday, June 27th. So anybody interested in learning the important lessons that need to be learned through covering our 12 trading strategies by the guidelines, this is a perfect opportunity for them to do so. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody at that meeting. Also worthy of note, we have our webinar, The 3 Essentials to Creating a Successful Trading Business, on Thursday, June 30th at 1 p.m. Eastern. And our 3 essentials being psychology, business, and the trading systems that you happen to use. And we'll show you why many traders who go out on their own are destined to fail, even if they've had a track record of good results in the past while they were still working and at a job. And then we'll discuss how to find the critical information you need to know to be successful as a person who utilizes trading to create a successful, reliable income. Okay, so this is going to be a great webinar for anybody who's interested in going out on their own at some point, whether they're retiring or they'd just like to simply travel the world or whatever. It's a great opportunity to see the challenges and how to overcome them when doing something like that.